or starting a show? Is there something that you do?
I don't have any fun rituals. I have to tell you that I was super nervous.
Oh.
I was super nervous. So my whole thing was, are we okay? Are we okay? Yeah, that was my ritual and it was not fun. Let me tell you that. It was really not fun. I mean, we were fine after we got on set, but before that it was like, are we going to be okay? Are we going to be okay? I was a little like completely nervous about, what was going to happen and all that. So yeah.
No, I mean, we do have a ritual. We put on our rollers and then we go and bang heads together about who gets to ask the worst questions to the most boring guest. And we divide it up like that. So yeah.
Thank you. लेकिन boring guest तो नहीं दिखे यार आपके trailer में. I mean, let me tell you that
We made them look good.
You. I love it. I love it. So question on the guest. Most favorite or easiest guest on the show? Total pleasure to talk to. Just was the entertainment you all needed on the show? If you had to pick.
You take this question. I think our most favorite two guests on the show would have to be Salman and Amir. I think they are, no, actually, to be very honest, my favorite guest on the show was Govinda. I have to say that he was so super entertaining. And I mean, not to say that everybody was not nice and whatever, but Govinda is Govinda. Let's just like hands down, like nobody can argue with that. He's a trend, he's an icon, all of it.
Yeah, absolutely. Like everybody has their go-to Govinda dance song, and you think about it right now. While I'm just going to take this to Nikhil and say, when is that episode dropping? Can you give a date?
All those questions are directed at me.
Yeah.
I'm going to try another politically correct answer.
Again? Yeah, you can't confirm or deny, but please.
But it is one of the 8 episodes, let me put it that way. And it's going to be a really fun episode. I've enjoyed seeing the edit. They've done a fantastic job. You've just got a glimpse of what they have to say, but what you'll see in the main episode is even funnier. And also on that episode, as Twinkle was saying, outside of the fun and games, there are also some deeper topics that they touch, which is quite interesting to hear from both of them in their presence. So all in all, a very wholesome episode, and I think everyone will enjoy.
Not giving me the answer, no problem.
The show starts on
25th September, yeah. Thank you so much. Pranalini, okay, there's always this one question, right? People are always like, लेकिन अलग क्या है? लेकिन different क्या है? So here's my question to you. How different was your approach to Too Much, from other talk shows or reality formats?
There's no chemical formula, and Kajol, Twinkle are only too much and so different. Have you seen two other females hosting a chat show without killing each other? I haven't. And they were so good on the show. We've had such a roller coaster doing this, and we still have a few episodes to go. But I think it just came together. We had a great team. We really wanted to make something which, at the end of it felt like a comfort meal, like it was very wholesome. There was fun and games, there was chit chat, we were laughing together, lots of jokes, but it was just wholesome. People have talked about their early lives. All your stars have spoken about so many things that you want to hear from them up close and personal. But I think if I had to sum it up, it's just very wholesome. It's that very warm feeling, and that's what sums up the show.
No, thank you so much. I do want to end by asking each of you ladies, what's the one thing about the other that absolutely cracks you up? Like this thing about Kajol or this thing about Twinkle.
This you have to take now, come on.
I mean, we laugh at the same things, and then sometimes we laugh, while we are
laugh
in the
at the
middle of the
same people
show,
sometimes.
and the guests are staring at us because they think we're laughing at them, which we are sometimes,
Oh my
but
God.
we just start laughing. So I think we have an innate understanding. We find similar things funny. We find each other very funny. I'm her biggest cheerleader. She's mine, I think.
And what's nice about it, I think the crux is